What's the meaning of cookery? Cookery. Cookery.
Cookery. Cookery. Cookery is the art and practice of preparing food for consumption. It involves a range of techniques and methods, including chopping, frying, baking, boiling, and grilling. The purpose of cookery is to transform raw ingredients into tasty and nutritious meals that can nourish and satisfy people. The result of good cookery is delicious and healthy food that brings pleasure and satisfaction to those who eat it. Good cookery not only provides sustenance, but it can also be a form of creative expression and a way to bring people together around a shared table.